I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Alright, magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Kumusta kayo mga idol? Ngayong video ay nais kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you guys.
Wow!
At syempre sa ating pamilya, salamat sa aking asawa, sa aking dalawang anak.
Okay.
At sa lahat ng mga mahal ko sa buhay, thank you. Sa lahat ng kasamahan ko dito sa YouTube, salamat sa suporta niyo mga idol. Salamat sa patuloy na walang sawang suporta mga idol. Thank you.
Hindi totoo yan.
At ito na nga mga idol, paakyat na tayo ng 1,000 subs.
Wow!
Yun,
Uy, sana all!
paakyat na tayo ng 1K subscriber mga idol. Thank you Lord sa pag-iingat mo sa akin sa lahat ng rides ko. So yun, thank you sa ating lahat. Salamat po sa patuloy na suporta mga idol.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be like by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light. Alright, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing.
So yun, maraming salamat sa suporta.
Uy,
Hanggang dito na lang mga idol, dito ko na lang tatapusin yung video na to. So ingat lang lagi sa pagbibiyahe, ride safe lagi mga idol. Saka huwag kakalimutang magdasal muna bago umalis.
Okay.
At huwag masyadong gigil na gigil sa pag mamaneho mga idol. Dapat kalmado lang lagi at saka relax lang para iwas disgrasya. Huwag masyadong mainitin din, lalo na kapag masyadong traffic.
Paano masabi?
So huwag masyadong mainitin sa mga kasamang mga motorista. So respeto sa mga kapwa motorista. So minsan din natin maiwasan yung mainit ang ulo dahil mainit ang panahon, tapos siksikan. So pero iwasan pa rin natin, maging kalmado pa rin tayo sa lahat ng sandali. So hanggang dito na lang mga idol, maraming salamat. Thank you. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.